All right, what's up, guys? First video on Ondo, Ondo. This has been one that has been talked about a lot, and just want to update you guys. I actually bought Ondo twice now, and it is about 3% of my total crypto portfolio. So maybe I'll start making some videos on this. That's really up to you guys. All I ask that you drop a like if you hold any Ondo, or if you want me to make more videos on Ondo, and subscribe to my channel, of course. We talk a lot about different cryptos and stocks, and my goal for this channel is to teach you so that you can start to learn how this all works, what you see on the screen right here. So first, we're going to look at the charts. Then I'm going to show you what Ondo actually is. And then we're going to look at X and see what the rest of the community feels about Ondo. Of course, it's not financial advice. It's all my own opinion. And you should definitely do more research even after watching this video. So looking at Ondo right now, let's first just talk about Fibonacci. So we took it from the high point of on June 2024, and this was at $1.48. We brought it all the way to the low, which was about 51 cents. This started to run up, and you could see it ran up exactly to the 1.618 level. We had a double top, and then it started to crash down. So when you start to see this, you could tell that it follows Fibonacci very closely. Dogecoin also follows Fibonacci very closely, which I've obviously talked to you guys about. So I like this fact. I guess that would be the first reason why I ended up buying Ondo. Here's a second thing you want to look at is the RSI. So when the RSI gets overbought, it looks like around 75. It's a good idea to take some profit off Ondo. Right now, we're trading at 45. So we have a lot of room, basically. The other thing is when the RSI is overbought with the stochastic being overbought, you can see the stochastic started to curl down. Once we start touching, great idea to start taking some profit. This is a weekly time frame, by the way. Then it comes down and you get the heck out. But now we're curling up. We have a bullish cross on the stochastic. We have an RSI bounce at around 41. 40 to 41 is usually a very oversold level on a weekly time frame with the RSI. So for these reasons, I bought Ondo. Okay. And I think this is going to go much higher. Another good sign is we're making higher lows. So you can see this is a low right here. This is a higher low. And this is a higher low. So we are in an uptrend, and we're also making higher highs. We have a high, we have a high, we have a higher high. So I believe Ondo is going to go past this high right here as the Bitcoin dominance crashes down. And my next target would be about $3 at least, $3 to about $3.08, around this range right here. If you want to get super bullish, and still that'd be a great return. That's almost a 4x, if not a 4x, 400% return on investment, just getting to $3. But let's just say we get a little more bullish. Then I would look at a full Fibonacci retracement of about $4.60. So anywhere from $4 to $4.60. This is really what I would be looking for. But again, it doesn't really matter what the price is, because I'm going to be studying the stochastic and the RSI on a weekly and daily time frame. And then if we pull up a daily and we start to see any negative divergence forming, excuse me, like this right here. So this is a great indicator to tell you to get out. When you start to see an asset make a higher high and you see the lower high on the RSI, this is a sell signal. Okay. And this is exactly what I teach in my Patreon, guys. If you want to join and you want to start to learn and see all the cryptos that we're talking about, right now, if you pay for the whole year, I'm offering 10% off. Okay, so you can get in for less than $100 for the Discord. We have a great community, and it's a good time. So definitely invest in yourself if you see this as valuable. But this is really what I would be looking for. Now, the opposite effect is the bullish divergence that's formed. The higher lows right here and the lower lows. So this is very bullish right now for Ondo. Here's another reason why I bought, basically because of the bullish divergence on a daily time frame. So I just listed 4 reasons for you of why I decided to enter a position into Ondo. My average is 83 cents. Right now we're trading at 87.4. Okay. So we're close to $1. So let's get to $1. We'll pass $1, my honest opinion. But again, it's all just my own opinion, and do more research even after watching this. So what does Ondo do? Now here's the most important thing that you need to know. So it's a decentralized finance platform that focuses on tokenizing real world assets. I love cryptos that have this word in it, okay, and bringing them on chain, providing access, to institutional grade financial products and services to a wider audience. It essentially acts as a bridge between traditional finance and DeFi, offering tools for managing and investing in tokenized assets like US Treasuries, ETFs, and other financial instruments. So pretty big use case. I know this sounds confusing, especially if you're not into crypto, but this is a great sign right here. Now let's see what the community believes about Ondo. So we got Captain Fabik, I think, says Ondo is getting ready for another massive bullish rally. So don't, oh, and it disappeared. Here we go. Bullish massive rally. So don't miss the ride. They have a target of $1.66. So why do they have a target of $1.66? Well, let's check it out real quick. So let's see. Here we go. Let's take a Fibonacci from this high right here. Let's bring it all the way to the low. So $1.66 would be right. Okay, that makes sense. So right in between the 618 and the 786 level, which I agree with. I think that's very fair. You know, you could target this area as an area to take profit. Again, you want to be watching the RSI. I'll be giving you guys weekly updates to Patreon members, of course. So let's see what else we got. Here's another person, Ondo, brain dead, real world asset play. If you want to play it safe, he's very bullish. List some reasons here. And then he is assuming $1.10. Okay. Ondo, soon more. This person is bought more. So we got a lot of bullish charts here. Ondo, this person is calling for $50 on Ondo. Pretty crazy. Who knows though? I think it's like a $3 billion market cap right now. This person has a range for Ondo to trade up and down. We told you about the Ondo pump. We told you to buy. Did you buy? If you didn't, you're still early. Ondo to $10. No profile picture, red flag. I mean, you're going to see a lot of stuff about people sharing their bullish price targets, but at the end of the day, guys, you got to be watching the RSI for overbought levels, and you have to learn Fibonacci. Okay, this is how you're going to get the closest to selling the top, in my opinion. All right, Ondo standing still now just means only a matter of time for it to explode. So you get the picture. Pretty much everyone is bullish on Ondo right now. I'm also very bullish on Ondo right now. I alerted members that I entered a position at 82 cents yesterday or 2 days ago, I believe. It was actually right down here. So we got in on this little candle, 82 cents. And then I bought more today also. So now the YouTube community knows. But again, guys, I appreciate you for watching this video. Don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment if you want more Ondo videos, and we'll see you on the next one.